driver, man. Look this. Look at this spot.
Come on here.
Who's
Welcome
that?
to my house.
Show me. Show me the way. Oh fuck,
Don't see anything,
man.
bro. I didn't put
Yeah, we don't have light here, guys, but we are on the way up.
Can't see anything, bro.
Can't see anything, but
Keep going.
we're gonna make a sunrise view for you guys from the top of this cliff.
Just be careful,
All right. Have to stop this video because I need both friends to climb it.
Bom dia, o sol brilha na minha janela hoje. E eu pensando se esse dia fosse diferente, menos cinza, tipo mais cores. Se a grama do vizinho é verde, eu falo traz flores. Não é uma vida, cada vida é única. Não é uma noite pra fazer uma música. Bem que eu queria ter sorte de súdita. E se eu me afogo em meus anseios, é uma morte súbita. Juntando os cacos sem sair de casa. Tô vendo o mundo, mas só pela casca. Já vou sair, mas não arrumei a mala. Eu tô dizendo, eu vou atirar, mas não arrumei a bala. E a cada lágrima meu mundo desaba, me desarma. E cada mágoa eu transformo em risada. Se eu ando em águas é um milagre elevado. Minha calma deságua, eu nado no nada, seu barco naufraga. Eu já cansei de viver o que eu vivi. Eu já cansei de chorar o que eu não vi. Eu já falei, eu não saio daqui até o sol nascer de novo, hoje vocês vão me ouvir. Eu já cansei de viver o que eu não vi. Eu já cansei de chorar o que eu vivi. Eu já falei, eu não saio daqui. Tudo que eu tenho pra dizer, hoje vocês vão me ouvir. Hoje vocês vão me ouvir. Hoje vocês vão me ouvir. Não dá, não dá, não dá, não dá, não dá. Cansei de viver assim. Já não dá pra repetir os mesmos erros. Cansei de viver assim. Hoje é um bom dia pra esquecer o que me aflige. Todos os problemas são poucos que me atingem. Deixa a razão de lado, se concentre só. Finge que nada mais importa, tudo é certo, então brinde. Eu não quero poder da esfinge, nem parte do trono. Não quero seus brindes, agrados e bônus. Eu tenho os meus timbres, estéreos e monos. A faixa, a mensagem, é isso que somos. Um monte de cromossomos, malucos, doentes, só água e carbono. O amor e o antônimo. Assírios e babilônios, contradição, mantras e vícios, distúrbios crônicos, demônios e anjos, fome e obesidade, não somos mais.
What's up, guys? Here we are again with Marcin, my Polish mate. We just did. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! It's really hard. The floor is so slippery, so we have to take care and watch out every step. We come for see the sunrise. It's like 50 minutes by car from Rockdale, and yeah, we took drone, we took our stuffs. We seen dolphins from the cliff, but I couldn't catch because it was so hard to find it. Woo. Yeah, bro. Follow the path foot. Yeah. Handle this. Whoa. Whoa. Woo. Whoa, man. Watch out.
Almost there, bro.
Almost there. Almost died.
I don't know this coming back.
It's really nice. Hang out while this hard times we're facing of COVID-19, sorry.
2020.
Watch out. Watch your head. The last. Woo, we made it! Such amazing spot. So nice, bro. With this, guys. So let's start now.
Don't make me shy, bro. Look at this view, bro.
Look at this amazing view. Now we're gonna jump in? No, I'm kidding.
Yeah. You give me $5, I'm gonna jump.
Just $5, man.
5 is enough.
5 is enough.
I'm gonna take coffee.
It's amazing, man. Amazing view.
Fresh air.
Fresh air.
That's what we need.
I used to share in my Instagram. Agradecer todo dia pouco. Be grateful, guys. Life's good. Yeah. Even in the hard times, you can see, you know, this golden hour, sunrise, sunset. Yes, you know, bring your best mate, your camera, your drone, and do amazing videos. Enjoy your time, you know. Don't worry about everyone facing the same problem, and
Together we're gonna fight this.
yeah, together we're gonna fight this, and yeah, stay safe, guys.
Yeah, bro.
Stay home, stay crazy. No, joking. Stay home, stay safe, guys. Look this color, man. Amazing view. Keep your attention, bro. Marcin's a bit crazy driver. Woo, woo. Important part of trip. Take your hand sanitizer and use, guys.
Look after yourself.
Look after yourself. And stay home. Stay crazy. It's like a Great Ocean Road.
This one?
Yeah, in small version. You know?
Yeah.
It's the Great Ocean Road in Melbourne. It's like this, close to the ocean, and many curves.
So
yes, so wavy.
Look who's there on the corner.
Who is in the corner? What's your name, buddy? And also Mr. Snow is here.
Everyone travel with us. feeling?
Nice, bro. I couldn't be happier than this. Thank you for taking me off the isolation mode. I love exploring new place. This
That view was amazing.
make me happier.
How did you enjoy sunrise?
Sunrise was really nice. Actually, we took some pictures from drone and also by camera. It has a Nikon.
Nikon, yeah, exactly. And we noticed some dolphins.
Yes, we know some dolphin, but we couldn't spot from
Because
above.
it was too bright.
Yeah.
It's so hard to follow them. Next time I'm gonna...
Went there, and now from below, say hello, Marcin, again.
Hello, bro. I'm still alive.
Still alive, we survive.
I didn't die.
So that's it, guys. If you are not subscribed, subscribe. Give me a
Next adventure.
hands up, and if you like the content, just share the video to help me get more followers and support me. And that's it, guys. See ya.